Hello. Present simple. It is used to make reference to actions that are carried out on a daily basis. To conjugate the present simple, we use the affirmative for the subjects I, you, we, they. But in this case, we will use it. Example: I talk, I play, I sing, I write, I draw. To use the present simple negative, we will use the auxiliary tense. Examples: I don't want that, I don't speak, I don't drink, I don't dance, I don't sing. Here the auxiliary will always to do the beginning of the sentences. Examples: do I live in Japan? Do I drink in Starbucks? Do I lunch in McDonald's? Do I dinner in Tosao? Do I work in YouTube? Thank you very much.